Oceanair have a huge range of air-to-water heat pumps from Panasonic and Fujitsu, with heating capacities from 4.5 to 85 kilowatts. The Aqua Rear range are all MCS approved and designed for domestic and light commercial applications. The outdoor units are quiet in operation, available in monoblock or split system, and capable of providing heating to radiators or underfloor, as well as domestic hot water. The T-Cap range provides 100% capacity at -15 and keeps operating down to -20 when other heat pumps have given up. All of the range integrate easily with solar thermal, and the new high temperature models heat up to 65 degrees. If you're in an off-gas area looking to save money on heating bills or trying to reduce carbon emissions, call Oceanair to find out how on 08456 800 410 or visit www.oceanairuk.com.